Welcome guys. In this video tutorial I will show you how to install Sublime Text editor, which happens to be the lightest, fastest text editor in the world. Literally is in MBs, man. I don't think it's up to 100 MB. Let's check. That is the fastest. See, this is the size on your computer. Okay, this is size on your computer. Sorry, size on your computer. This is the actual size. So now, when you unzip the file, you download, you open the file. I'm trying to make it as basic as possible. Down here to Sublime Text, you run it. And there you go. On register, when you use this Sublime Text, always have a dialog box that pop up, always telling you to register. You can register it and help the Sublime community, or if you don't have money, you can just ignore it till when you get money, then you register to avoid the pop up. But I'll tell you, that's it. Very simple to use, very light though. So thank you for watching this video. Like, comment if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel. If you want to learn programming, you want to know about tech, you want to know so much about Python, PHP, MySQL, little of Java, enough JavaScript, JSON, jQuery, HTML5, CSS, Bootstrap, Semantic UI. In case you don't know that the last one I just pronounced, comment, I'm going to tell you what it is, and it will be a lifesaver for you. More of WordPress, more of servers, man. I cannot make sure it's endless, but make sure you stay tuned, so we will make this rock. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.